Hello guys, hi, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves, and I also help students to clear the FRM and CFA exam in the first attempt. Now I'm coming up with a series which is Ask Ganesh series, in which you can ask certain questions in our comment section, and I'll be creating a video answering a query of yours, okay? And this has been inspired because a lot of questions were asked to me, but I could not address it on the YouTube comments or any other platform. So I'm going to be taking those comments, okay, and I'm going to be creating a video for the benefit of the audience. Today's question is being asked by Puneet. Okay, can we defer the FRM exam after deadline? Okay, now ideally yes, you can defer the exam after deadline. The deferral fee will be definitely charged, but on what grounds they can give you deferral? Okay, institute has not been very open about this, but definitely there have been instances where we have seen that if you have some serious medical condition, you or your family member, like COVID, okay, and you can prove that this has happened recently and you're not in a position to go for the exam, then definitely they would allow you to go and defer the exam to the next available slot. Okay, so I have seen this happening, so it is primarily possible, but definitely it is going to be on a case-to-case basis. It is not going to be a blanket, and you need to have some strong reason. They might also ask for documentary evidence if you are stating something, for example an illness, so they might ask medical documentation, okay, so that they can verify it, and then only they can allow for a deferral. Because if they keep on doing this deferral every single time and they allow it to everybody, first of all, the deadline is then not important. Second, it impacts their ability to manage the logistics for the exam. So from that perspective, they don't openly talk about it, but yes, the institute is sympathized to your situation. If there is no way out for you, then they can definitely help you out. You can mail them out, you can send them an email, call them up and explain them the situation. They will definitely revert back. Okay, so definitely a deferral is possible, so you can go ahead and do it again with relevant reasons. So I hope this video helps you in addressing the query. Okay, further, if you have any such queries in mind, you can put it on the comment section, and please mention Ask Ganesh, because that is where I'll be able to pick those questions and take it for our future videos also. Thank you.